Hey guys, I'm Daisy from Currys, and today I'm going to be talking to you about some baby food recipes that are really easy and simple to make with a blender. So these are broccoli and pear puree, avocado and banana puree, and sweet potato puree as well. So we're going to head to the studios now where we've got the ingredients set up and I'm going to make some of the recipes. Purees are a really great way to get your little one into the idea of eating and also to introduce them into nutritious, healthy foods from an early age. Plus, hopefully they'll enjoy all the flavours for life so you can help to build healthy habits with your little ones. Today I'm using a Tommy Tippy steamer blender, which actually steams the food before you blend it, which means you get really nice soft consistencies. Plus, it can also pulse for chunky foods as well, for when you're ready to introduce different textures for toddlers. So the first recipe is broccoli and pear. Get a handful of broccoli florets and steam for 5 minutes, then add 1/2 of a ripe pear, ensuring that the stalk and seeds are removed, blend together and serve. The second recipe for banana and avocado is for 1 serving. So scoop out the flesh of 1/2 of a small ripe avocado and put it in the blender, add 1/2 of a small ripe banana and blend together. You can choose how smooth you want this to be and even stir through some yogurt for additional protein as well. Serve this one straight away. Lastly, for 2 servings of sweet potato puree, you can set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 fan or gas mark 6. Place the sweet potato on a baking tray and put it in the oven for 45 minutes. You can test if it's ready by using a sharp knife because it should slide in easily. Allow to cool before peeling off the skin and then blend until smooth. And if you want a slightly thinner consistency, you can add some baby milk. The great thing about this recipe is that it freezes well, so you can save on any leftovers. If you want to check out these blenders or any of our baby tech range, then you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on Shop Live.